to again my YouTube channel, guys. How are you? I hope you're fine and good. Now, like me today, Alicia is the Mergeland's latest game available now, and just I request you be end of watching this video. I will be completely helping to you how to complete to be this game levels. This is the game more easily known, not to be heard. Just I will be requesting you be end of watching this video, then you will be easily understand now how to complete it to be this game. So guys, all about this is the more easily known. Just I will be explaining you how to complete to be this game levels, everything, because my wish is to be give you best strategy, best advice how to be complete to be this game meters levels quiz right answer how to be give. So guys, this is the everything more easily know. Complete 7 level, complete 10 levels, complete 50 levels. This is the all of everything more easily know, not to be anything hard. So guys, let's start this video, and I hope you will be like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So let's start this video. So I will be download this game already, and I will be completely explain you how to be complete to be these games. Okay guys, I will be complete all these sections. this game level. So I hope you will be understand on what I asking to you. Thank you so much for you watching my video.